वाला नहीं होता सामने झुक के पंच लेने वाला. Have you ever bombed like this?
I don't understand why teachers complain that this is a thankless job. You get to beat up random kids. If someone at that age told me, तुझे बड़े होके क्या करना है, I would say इन सबको मारना है. That's the dream.
Hey, I would like to know if they give me like a timeline saying that day will die, then I'll finish all the work by then.
You are the most pathetic person I have met. You have to, if you know your death rate, you want to just finish work.
Finish work, matlab not work, not work.
It's not like I'll achieve my goals, my dreams. I'll live my fucking.
I'll do my taxes.
I would say, Sapan, this is not a series, it's a limited series. one episode, show is over.
Blink, rick, katak. Joke funeral.
Hello, welcome to Joke Funeral, a show where we celebrate jokes that died on stage.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why I'm wearing black.
Thanks.
That's
You
good.
also.
I didn't know you're Christian.
Okay, so I'll quickly explain the format since this is the first time we're shooting this. The idea is that all of us have been doing stand-up for like, 10, 15 years? How many years?
13.
15.
13?
15.
15?
12.
12. 15. Okay.
Crazy.
So all of us have been doing stand-up. We try new jokes almost every week. Almost every week we try jokes at open mics. And I think, I checked my ratio. I think only 30% of jokes make it to the final show. Like if you try 10 minutes.
So 3 minutes.
3 minutes you will get.
3
no?
minutes is good. Yeah, not bad.
No?
Not first of all, you should ask Ronak how many relationship episodes he has canned. Is there any?
There's like 4.
Oh,
And what was the reason?
who were the panelists?
They're still waiting for the episode to come out. Okay, so we're not gonna.
But how many episodes have you done totally?
Like 112 now.
Okay, so it's less than 4%.
Yeah,
That
the
is
dropout ratio,
Yeah,
right?
so
Yeah.
his success rate is 97% almost.
That's crazy.
Crazy
That's
vibe.
crazy.
However, in relationship, we also then cut out bad
Cut out a lot,
jokes
no?
in each episode.
How
You
much-
cut out the bad jokes?
Then what is there? Why do you have to overcompensate with music?
My point was that we all write a lot of jokes. We try a lot of
Can I
jokes.
just ask one question?
Yes, please.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm not drunk. What are you saying?
Not yet.
Okay, so to explain to the audience.
This one I had a Blinkit breathalyzer ordered.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, for every interaction now.
Yeah.
For unable.
Hey, breathalyzers are in Blinkit.
Yes.
I can practice.
Where do you think the cops ordered it from? This is already derailed.
What is happening? Why?
Sorry, we are back.
We're back.
Joke funeral. It's called joke funeral.
It's sad. It's an important
It's
lead.
not
Yeah,
a wedding.
Yeah. Basically, we all try jokes. A lot of them don't make it to the final show. But like somewhere we got stuck with it. Ki aadha chala, aadha nahi chala, or chala, but we don't know where to take it. So I thought we'll discuss jokes that didn't make it and why didn't they make it to the show. That's the idea. Very simple idea. But before we get to that, I want to ask you guys, do you guys have a writing process?
Every joke is its own problem, bhai.
Yeah.
Like some jokes will just kill from the first go.
Yeah.
And some others will not kill for 3 years and then one day just suddenly start killing. And if
Then what changed?
I don't know. Like I wish I knew.
Yeah, I think sometimes it's just conviction also changes.
Yes.
Like, because we can't see how we say it, but somehow they're like, oh, now I believe it.
Yeah.
All this while I felt like you were playing a character, but this time you're saying the truth.
100%. It's in the eyes.
Do
They
you
can
think,
see it.
it's got to do with like your personality or your age? Like I remember some jokes I'd written when I was like 25, never worked. Then I got older. Same joke I'm cracking at 30. I'm like, oh yeah, he looks like he can pull off
Oh,
this joke.
100%. Dude,
Yeah.
because I've also done stand-up when I was 16, I know that there were so many jokes where they were like, even if it is funny, we're not going to fucking acknowledge this child. Fuck you. So then you're like, when now that I have a little grey hair and I say any joke, they're like, maybe it's right. Maybe he knows. You know how that is, right? That they believe that, oh, this person might be knowing if you look older.
That's why I'm trying to bald as fast as possible.
Yeah.
Yes. I have also like had some experiences with this. Like one joke that I put out recently, it was signature. It was called the signature joke.
Yes.
And that is a joke from 2015. Okay, I uploaded
11 years ago.
11 years ago, and it never works. In fact, I remember this. I tried it for the first time in Hive open mics, and the first time I tried it in an open mic where like there are 8 audience members and 12 comics. I tried it for the first time in 2015, and only Biswa had laughed. Okay, I swear.
It was funny, bhai.
Yeah, you remember this?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, you remember, no?
Either, like you said, your conviction changes,
Yes.
or I think if you शुरुआत में if you're too enthusiastic about the joke,
हाँ.
you're delivering it in a way that you're expecting the laugh and the audience is like, he's
Yeah.
trying too hard.
Yes.
But eventually
Yeah.
you give up on the joke and
Oh,
just
yes.
give it a throwaway.
That's so true. That's so true. Yeah, you perform it in a way that it doesn't matter.
Yes.
Then audience thinks it matters.
yeah.
Wow.
The opposite of that also happens. Some jokes work with enthusiasm.
Yeah.
But then as you become like, ये तो kill करता ही है, and then that
It
joke
does.
starts
So
not
that's
heavy.
what happens
That's
with me. You
also
guys are saying you write jokes that work later. My opposite happens. I write joke, it kills for some time, and after some point, it just stops working.
But I have one
That is also
similar
happened,
problem. I'm doing a joke and I never know the exact words and it works. The moment
you
the
write
day
Oh.
I type it out, the
Yes.
next day forever it's doomed by.
Yes,
I
The
don't
minute
know.
you do what the craft requires,
Yeah, yeah.
that hey man, just make it tight.
Yeah.
You get to the punchline soonest.
Gone.
It's just gone. It's dead
Dude,
now.
like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
certainty of those words really destroy
yeah.
the joke for me.
Because earlier on, when you're performing, you are fully in the moment. You are also like, reacting. You are also thinking, okay, you start a sentence not knowing where it's ending.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful, place in comedy. And a lot of things come out of that. But once you have written it, then you also are you are also thinking, कि अच्छा इसके बाद तो ये आएगा.
अभी full
इसके बाद
stop
तो-
आएगा, फिर
हाँ,
अभी ये आएगा.
अभी आएगा. So that performance में दिख जाता है.
वो वाला नहीं होता सामने झुक के पंच लेने वाला. कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है मेरे को. Have you ever bombed like this?
That's a very classic Biswa move. yeah. I've seen Biswa do it so often.
Yeah.
Bombing with an act out is the worst.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
And when the act out ends, if you have changed your position from the center,
Yeah.
the walk back of shame. you can't just start a
Yeah.
new bit from the
Yeah.
sides.
I think
Yeah. That walk was supposed to be filled with laughter.
We'll fix it in post.
Yeah. Today we are going to take out some of those jokes and
Yes.
try to make them work. Or
Yes.
what is the format exactly?
Yeah, basically we'll discuss some set that you believed was really funny, but just didn't work.
Got it.
And then we'll discuss we'll
So
figure
are you
out-
trying to make it work or
Yeah.
then
So
why is
then-
it called funeral? It
Yeah,
should be
it's a
called
joke
reincarnation.
CPR.
Yeah, joke.
Yeah, joke
I thought of calling
CPR.
it joke revival.
the funeral has a very somber,
Yeah.
tone to it.
You fucking told me on the call.
Oh shit, did
Joke
I?
funeral is a great
You
name.
fucking wore black
You told
clothes and
me,
came.
What a great title. 2 words from 2 very different universes. Joke and funeral, brother. I am sold. This is exactly what
Great.
That time I told you before facing traffic. After facing traffic, I'm different person.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
So
Okay.
shall we?
Let's start. Ronak, you want to start?
Let's go. Okay. So
Which
I have
bit
this
is-
bit that I'm doing.
Ah.
The bit starts like this. When I was in school, my history teacher made me stand up in front of the entire class and answer a question about Gandhiji and the non-violent movement. I gave the wrong answer. So she slapped me. Non-violent movement. This is all you need to know about the Indian education system. Okay? That's the first beat.
Got it.
Second beat is I don't understand why teachers complain that this is a thankless job. You get to beat up random kids. If someone at that age told me, "तुझे बड़े होके क्या करना है?" I would say, "इन सबको मारना है." That's the dream. Okay. Okay, so that's the second beat. The third beat is in my school. I'd noticed that the teachers would never beat up the rich kids. So I was not only getting beaten up because I'm performing poorly, but also because my dad is performing poorly. And, fourth
But is that true though? Sorry. That only...
Yeah, the rich kids never got beaten up in my school.
No, he's asking, are you poor?
I've gotten beaten up.
Okay.
Okay.
That was the metric I was held by. Okay. So then this is the fourth one. The fourth one is now I know. Now I realize. Now I found out that they don't beat up children in school,
Anymore.
and schools have gotten woke. And also schools have gotten expensive. So is that what's happening? Are you taking more money as ransom to not beat up my child? And at that I get from people, and I don't get the. So I was like, maybe I should ask you guys, because you guys have kids. Where does this go?
I think you should end it at the third beat.
But I I really like the idea that it's almost abnormal now. It was so normal.
Yeah.
Right? You could just go home. Like if any of your kids come home and they're like, "Oh, teacher hit me," you all would be shocked. But
Yeah.
like our parents were like, "Ha, to."
Yeah.
I feel like I want to address that.
I
Yeah.
नहीं कि मेरे को मार भी पड़ी है.
Yeah, exactly.
I never told them because then they would also beat me up at home.
Yeah, they would be like, "I'm sure you did something."
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
So
I think this joke, if you word it differently, maybe it'll work because the idea is great.
Huh.
That now they're charging more not to beat up your kid.
Huh.
I call it ransom or something like that. Like if you change one word from here to there, maybe it'll work because
Yeah.
the idea is strong.
Yeah.
or do you want to
that-
break down the fee structure? Like if like the
That's
annual
very
fee is
funny.
like 12 lakhs a year, 6
Yeah.
lakhs for ICSE board and 6 lakhs not to beat up your kid.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
break it down like that.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
6 lakhs tuition fee, 2 lakh transport fee, 4 lakh
Yeah.
non-violence fee.
And poor kids still getting beaten up. Maybe your dad was not paying the non-beat up.
My dad was not paying the extra.
Yeah.
He's like, padha do extracurricular. I
Yeah.
get it.
Every PTM meeting they're saying, sir, you have to go pay 4 more lakhs if you don't want me. Just beat him. I don't have money.
My dad is with like torn clothes, sweating from everywhere. I tried my best.
Yeah.
Why
One
does your
day
dad sound like one of those AI cat reels?
his Ronak is crying at home. His dad is counting money. Can't save him.
Can't, sorry, I have to go to Goa, bhai.
Yeah.
Can't feel sorry for you.
Yeah, calling his teacher saying, I told you I am taking the slap package. Why have you done a full beat up? Why did I pay 10,000 rupees?
Slap package is damn funny.
That's funny, dude. Our parents,
Yes.
okay, any problem, fucking give 2 slaps.
Yes. Yeah.
It's sorted. Like the generational change is insane.
Yes.
Yeah.
My mom used to ask me while on the way to parent-teacher meeting, is which class are you in? We are
And
like-
she was the
She-
principal.
No, not of our school. She was a different school principal. That would be true.
She really
School
was.
are you in?
Yeah, no, she was a principal of a different school.
Hey, then why did you go to the school where your mom
Yeah,
was the
how
principal?
come?
It was a government girls' school.
Oh,
Yeah.
So what's the problem?
Weren't you a government girl?
He's a private girl. Not a government girl.
Yeah, but sorry, I like the second beat is also very funny. That teachers get to beat up kids. That's
Yes.
a dream job.
I
Right.
feel
That's
I
a
feel-
great beat.
I feel
Yeah.
that is little like underdeveloped because this thing where like changes in parenting, now people are not beating kids, is like you've heard it before somewhere in some capacity. But if
Right.
you are that line that you had, that people say teaching is a thankless job.
Yeah.
You get to hit kids,
Right,
like so
right.
that POV I haven't heard. Like
Yeah.
that seems
That's
very
interesting.
interesting.
It's, I think, your personal point of view, right?
Yeah.
Like when you were in school, you just wanted to beat every kid up.
Yeah.
And now somebody's getting to do it.
Yeah, correct.
Imagine waking up every morning and you have 32 students who you can beat up in roll number wise.
You can
Yeah.
beat up, you can throw duster. Like, it's basically like that's a perk of the job.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
it's not a salary, gratuity, violence. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But that's very interesting how different teachers had different beating strategies also. I don't know if you could include this. Some teachers just relied on the lower, right? Ki class 4 में जाओगे ना, वो टीचर आएगा, वो बहुत मारता है. And that teacher didn't even beat up once.
Yeah.
Right,
But
right.
there is legend that once.
Oh, and that lurking feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That it might happen today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are some teachers who did it too extra, right? We had a maths teacher in 8th standard. He would just beat up everybody every day. Okay. Then everybody stopped caring. It's like,
Yeah.
fucking,
Like Marlo.
this guy has too high of a bar. Nobody cares.
What had happened in my school was the geography teacher just twisted one of the students' hand because he did not get the map that day or whatever the fuck. Or uska heart elbow toot gaya or something.
shit.
And
Yes,
that
that
kid, like it twisted hand, he was a lanky kid, so broke his fucking elbow or whatever the fuck.
Like how you're blaming the person who got beaten. Lanky kid is fault.
Yo.
Teacher ने मारा उसका कुछ नहीं है.
Calcium deficient.
I also got beaten by him, but I didn't fucking break my elbows.
Okay, sure.
So whatever. So, but this kid,
You should do this.
yeah.
Very fun.
But because this kid's mom and dad were like really high up and very rich people, they made the teacher apologize in front of the entire school.
Ooh.
And then my friend walked around with a sling, terrorizing that geography teacher. Like, kya karega tu mera?
Oh,
Yeah.
Power move.
Yeah, power move. Yeah.
Hardcore, hardcore.
I think that is very interesting that the school fees have gone up. You know why? Because teachers can't beat kids up. give them the liberty and see the prices come down.
Oh yes,
Allow them.
yes. That's yeah.
That is quite funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this, but teachers hitting students is kind of like, you've heard it elsewhere. What you haven't heard is students hitting teachers.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
we could just
Yeah,
make
yeah.
up some shit.
Yeah. Oh, then though we haven't heard of parents hitting teachers.
Yes, parent-teacher meeting is a handicap match.
What is first beat, second beat, fourth beat? Okay, you turn. Different beats.
Yeah, but there should be a hierarchy. If the teacher can beat up the student, it's only justified if the principal can beat up the teacher.
Maybe that's what happens in staff room.
Yeah.
And we don't know.
Yeah.
That's where it comes from.
Yeah, like the music teacher is like a subsidiary subject, right? So the geography teacher can beat up music teacher.
Dude, this is also actually I'm realizing it's like, are we the last generation of kids that got beat up?
Yes,
What?
Yeah.
We are large generation.
Yeah, we're the last generation.
These
dude.
kids are never going to know the joys of being beaten up.
Of Stockholm syndrome.
Hey, my dad also made one teacher apologize.
For you?
Yeah.
Or for your brothers?
For me.
Really? What happened?
It was very lame. I remember I was in school and me and one kid said, "Ma'am, can we go to the washroom?" She said, "Okay." And washroom was 2 floors down. Okay. So I was very obedient child. मैं से पूरा हाथ ऐसे पीछे करके सीट में धीरे-धीरे उतर रहा हूँ. ये लड़का कूद के जा रहा था. Teacher saw him. Thought I have also done this thing. So made us do murga for 2 hours in school. Okay. And I was like, "Ma'am, I'm not. मैं रो रहा हूँ. This is like 3rd, 4th grade. I'm like, I have not done it. She's like, just do it. Okay. I'm standing outside Murga. सब बच्चे दूसरे सेक्शन के जा रहे हैं. मजाक बना रहे हैं. I was like fully traumatized. I went home and cried a lot. Okay. Cried a lot. My dad is full like gunda in that sense. Okay. He just knew which bus stop my teacher gets off at.
My
Oh,
God.
let's go.
Outside the society. So my mom and dad have taken me to the bus stop, saw the society around, just went on asking the name of the teacher कि यहाँ रहती है क्या? Reached her house and created a scene. आपने मेरे बच्चे को कैसे करवा दिया? ये वो. And she was like, "I'm so sorry, beta, come here." She took me in the Kodi, massaged my legs. She said sorry. Because I was like, मैंने नहीं किया. She's like, okay, I'm sorry. And she said sorry in front of my dad and all.
Bro.
But she took revenge. Next day in class, she like fully taunted me in front of everyone.
Bro, when I'm listening to the story, I'm just imagining telling my parents that I was falsely accused and they would have not believed that at
Yeah,
all.
they would have beaten you up more.
They would have made
Like,
me more
एक तो गलती कर रहा है ऊपर से घर आके झूठ बोल रहा है.
एक तो गलती कर रहा है वो भी गलत गलती कर रहा है.
It's an insane trap, bhai. If you go to school, they'll beat you up. You come home and cry because you got beaten up in school. Then like you're so weak.
Okay, so you want to do the next set?
Yeah.
Who wants to go? You want
I
to
can
go?
do.
Yes, do.
Yeah. I have this set which starts out strong and then just nothing happens, and I have stopped doing this joke also. But basically, there is. Don't expect a very good set. Huh?
Yes.
It's just a premise.
Yes.
Is that 4 of us are sitting here,
Yeah.
and there is no evidence that we are mortal. Okay.
Right.
We
You
could
are?
be immortal.
That we are mortal.
Immortal.
That's true.
Okay.
That's true.
Because we have never died.
Huh.
Okay. But we are all assuming that we are only whatever 35, 36,
Yeah.
37.
Yeah.
So maybe it's too early to say. But if you're really immortal, then at what age can you start being sure? Okay. Ki, I think it's happening.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I'm immortal.
So I used to go age by age. We don't have to stick to that. But basically, ki, at 100, you'll get your first doubt saying, am I?
Like attitude starts
Yeah.
coming in.
Am I some special kind of shit? Okay, but you don't act upon it. But I think the moment you cross like 125, you will start experimenting, saying ki, bro, can you try this knife on me? Okay, so try करके देखते हैं. And then as you keep living, like I used to do a couple of jokes and then I used to fizzle out. Ki, I think if you reach till 200, na, then you will make a list of all the people who have wronged you. They would already be dead. You go and kill their entire families.
Yeah.
And even then the jail term would end by your 400s. Okay. You can eliminate.
Yeah, you gotta find things to do. Yeah.
You can eliminate entire dynasties of people
Yeah.
and still be legally out. Okay, at 400.
Oh, so you're saying only one person is immortal, not every. Like you're not saying human beings are immortal.
No, just-
only if you are special.
Just if
Yeah.
Sapan Verma is immortal, at what age can he be sure?
Oh.
Very nice. I love
And
So-
how do you try it? You can't test it out too soon.
Yeah.
Like at 40, I can't just stand in front of a car saying, "Come hit me."
Can't do
Because
it.
then I'll die actually.
Can't do it.
I think first you should test when you just cross life expectancy.
Yeah, I was going to
Which
say
is
that.
72. Then you're like, oh, what's happening here?
Yeah, but
What's
if you're lucky and you missed like too near-death experiences, then you should get a little ballsy.
Yeah.
Then you should get a little ballsier about it. You should try it.
Yeah. Yeah, but after 400 age, I have no jokes.
Brother, I think at 400 you will be depressed. You will want to die.
That was
at
the
400,
whole-
You will start like looking for ways to kill yourself.
Like once you reach 500, you can make any change to the world you want because you just have time. And
Yeah.
imagine how much wiser you are than like,
Yeah.
you know, some kid is 25 years old and you're like, you know, I was there when Trump attacked Iran. They're like, what? What are you saying? Like, yeah, brother, I have knowledge a couple of things.
It's like the man from Earth. You know
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Also, nobody can fuck with you. You slap somebody, what? They'll shoot at you.
Yeah.
Can't do anything.
Yeah.
Like,
So is it that immortality is the only reason you follow laws?
Yes.
Mortality is the only
Mortality is
reason.
the only reason
Mortality
you
is the
follow
only
laws.
Yeah, that's
follow laws.
interesting.
Yeah.
if you find out you're immortal, you will go and rob a bank tomorrow.
Yeah.
They will try to kill you by like with a rope. Nothing happens.
Nothing
like,
happens.
जाने दो भाई कोई मतलब नहीं. इसको जेल में रखेंगे ये
Yeah,
500
just-
साल खाएगा.
Fuck!
Yeah, dude, you will outlast the jail.
Yes. Jail has gone into renovation.
Jail has become a mall now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you know that thing happens when like at certain age all your friends are like no more, like seen with like uncles and aunts and the older generation. That's like people see that sadly.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm losing all my friends. But if you look at it in a positive way,
Yeah.
It's like, I might be the immortal one. I might not have to do this
Yeah.
morning laugh session in the
Yeah.
in the
It'll be
garden.
great if you think you're immortal because all your friends died at 80, 85 and then you died 87.
Yeah.
You're not immortal.
The way I used to end it, I don't remember now. But basically, the ending was that he dies the moment he says it out loud.
Oh.
Yeah, the moment he says ki, I am immortal.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
a great idea
Poetic,
for like a
poetic.
show or a film.
Yeah.
Yeah, also you will always be looking for a life partner who is immortal. You're like, guys, I'm 500 years old. I can't date somebody who's 50. There's a 450 year age.
What is that?
gap.
What is that rule? Your age divided by half plus 7 or something, no? That
Yeah,
is a standard
you
dating
need
rule.
somebody like 257 years old at 500.
Basically.
That's crazy.
How do you, like you're making fun of Leonardo DiCaprio
Yeah.
for dating somebody 20 years younger. You're dating somebody 450 years younger.
50 years younger.
At
Big
that,
problem.
At that age, you're always in an open relationship.
Yeah.
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 People come and people die.
Open
and all
casket relationship.
that. Yeah. मान ले आई एम इमोर्टल. ओके. तू मेरे को कुछ भी गाली दे के तेरे को देख लूंगा या कर लूंगा ऐसे
हाँ, हाँ सर, तो बाहर मिलते को देखता हूँ मैं.
तेरे को पता है कुछ जानने का जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
You can never pull out this card.
What a great angle this is.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only when you are thinking about immortality in this detail do you realize that actually death is a boon.
It is truly.
Yeah, dude, it's
That was
actually great.
funeral. Always a great idea.
Oh, again, joke funeral is back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
That
try
is the
this
boon.
one.
Yeah.
That
I'll
is a
try
boon.
this way.
I think you should do this
Interesting.
That's
Yeah.
the way you
God.
close the joke. That's
Yeah.
the way you close the joke. The
Yeah.
death is the boon.
Knowing that you will die, but
Yes.
not
Oh,
when.
yes.
That is the boon.
Yes.
Nice.
If it's like that
Someday.
like the बोलते ना the क्या बोलते हैं Heisenberg uncertainty कि you should know only one thing. You should
Yeah.
not do both at the same time.
Yeah,
You should know
yeah.
you're going to die.
Yeah.
When you're going to die, you should not know.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
If you know
a-
both, then it's depressing.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
what are you going to do for till that time?
Yeah, yeah.
don't wanna know
Then
when
everything is backward.
Only people
Yeah.
who know when they will die are people on death row. That must be like really
See, I would
difficult.
like to know if
Yeah.
they give me like a timeline saying 23rd March 2073 that day will die. Then I'll
Dude.
finish all the work by then.
Okay. That's
Brother,
okay. Wait.
You are the most pathetic person I have met. You have to, if you know your death rate, you want to just finish work.
Finish work, matlab not work. Not work.
It's not like I'll achieve my goals, my dreams. I'll live my fucking.
I'll do my taxes. I'll
Not
clean
work
my
like
toilet.
that. What? Like I'll finish enjoying, I'll finish my money.
No. What?
I'll-
Don't try to
Wait,
cover up.
no,
I
no,
will
no,
hurt
no,
you.
no,
You
Sapar,
went, you
I
went
will-
full
Sapar,
to-do
wait.
list. To-do list.
Say,
you
I will
went.
not renew my Swiggy One membership for 3 more months.
Someone you are pathetic.
Sapar.
Why will I renew Netflix for a
Sapar,
year
wait.
if I'm dying?
Okay, Sapar, but wait. You are dying at 2073 as per what your best case scenario, your financial advisor has told you. What if you ask for that information, you find out it's like 3 months from now?
So
That's
then
a problem,
I'll
right?
enjoy, no? Quickly I'll enjoy.
quickly you'll enjoy.
Yeah, finish all the
You'll
morning.
finish up all the enjoyment.
Yeah, say bye to everyone, enjoy. I'll stop working out so much. What's the point? मरना ही है. Why go to gym every day if you have to die?
I mean, you want to look good on your deathbed. If I die young, I want to look good. Like, I don't want to look like this shape. I want to look better than this shape.
Oh,
You want to work out for death?
Yeah, I would like to. I would like
But
to be a
generally,
little,
if you're told,
little more
What are
toned.
your, do you have a dream? I just, because all your answers are lacking dream. Okay, Swiggy one membership.
like a routine.
dream.
It's like मैं इस महीने का GST भर के मरूंगा.
Dude, none of,
not having a dream is a problem in life.
He's calling his trainer and finishing the 12 sessions.
yeah. It's crazy, right?
Great.
No, dude.
Finish everything. I'll not pay rent to my landlord. Also,
Yeah.
what will you do?
Dude, if I have 3 months left, I'll just call ISRO and NASA and say, I just want to go to space. Okay, मेरे को एक बार भेजो, मर रहा हूँ anyway, मेरे को कुछ उधर ही मर
that's your
जाऊँ.
dream. अच्छा.
Yeah, not a dream, but it's like one of the crazy things. to
Yeah,
attempt.
at least worth an
Something
attempt. At least worth an attempt. Not Swiggy one.
Like, okay, play that on a grander scale.
Right.
I'll go to Maldives, stay in a hotel for 20 days and
Correct.
just keep like billing everything to room service.
So
Right.
why go to
And
Maldives?
20%.
Why? It's you can go anywhere.
20% will die.
Okay.
They can't make money.
Okay. And then,
I think Sapan.
and then your wife is dead ridden. For the,
Why fuck? Completely gone. Life is hell. I think
Oh,
if
man.
any-
तो गया भाई.
I think this conversation's outcome is that if anybody should be immortal, it should be you.
Yes.
Bro, you have a lot of work to finish. I think I wouldn't like to end your life.
You know, that is actually a correct thing. If God makes somebody immortal, make the most fucking this kind of like day-to-day person. Okay? Just logistical nightmare person.
मैं कार सर्विसिंग के लिए नहीं भेजूंगा.
Yeah.
क्यों भेजो कार सर्विस के लिए?
What a great life,
Right.
भाई. This is for a person who lives life like this. कि मेरे को बस कल दिन का 11 से 12 बजे मैं ये कर दूंगा, 2 से 3 कर दूंगा. Crazy.
petrol pump is asking, sir, full tank. Top up करूँ? नहीं, मैं मरने वाला हूँ. So this is it.
Yeah, why spend? But I'm saying it's a great thing for your
Dude, it's very
set
good.
also. You should
Yeah.
ask the audience, what
Yeah.
will you do if you find out you're immortal?
Yeah, it's the flip of.
Because you will get ulta answers. You will get answers like this.
Yeah. That's
I will
interesting.
not renew my Swiggy One membership. I think that's my main thing. Every 3 months they ask me to renew. I'll not renew.
That's interesting.
I think Swiggy One is my biggest problem out of
Yeah.
everything.
Wow.
Losing sponsors even before they call.
Hey, speaking of which, it's time for sponsor integration.
Oh.
Yeah, I created a space for sponsor integration because all
Crazy.
YouTube shows have sponsor integration.
Right.
Oh.
We don't have a sponsor yet.
We just have integration.
But we have integration. Since we don't have a sponsor, I thought I'll pick up something from home and we'll promote that.
Okay.
So today, I just carried a bathroom freshener that I had bought 2 years ago. It's wild berry and sweet jasmine. It's
That's
from
crazy.
Primark for £4.
Oh, nice.
Okay. No?
We should not get them a sponsor.
Okay. Sorry, Primark.
They're very average, right?
You will not be a sponsor.
Yeah. Also, we can do organic इसका plug-in ऐसे कर सकते हैं. If you are a sponsor, watch out how will organic will plug. भाई बॉम्बे में बारिश के टाइम में ना घर में इतना बदबू आता है. तू बता रहा था कितना बदबू आता है तेरे घर
Bro,
पे?
मेरे को तो यहाँ पे ही बदबू आ रहा है.
क्या बात कर रहा है? Sponsor integration over. Okay, I'll tell you my side. My theory basically, and I think theory people are on board that I don't like morning people. I'm a night person. I think night people are far superior than morning people. And people say that, you should wake up in the morning because if you wake up in the morning, you can finish all your work between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. before the world has started working. You can finish the work for the day.
Right.
My point is, the day technically resets at 12 midnight. As a night person, I have already started working the previous night. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But this concept, I'm not able to communicate to the audience. So night people are technically even before
Ahead of
than,
time.
ahead of time than morning people. Night is full of possibilities basically. You can have fun, you can have romantic conversations, you can go on a date. You can see drinking at night, fun guy.
Yeah.
Drinking at 6 in the morning,
Yeah.
alcoholic.
Yeah. But I'll tell you, my bit that I've brought is very similar to Sapan's.
Oh, let's
yes.
go. What is
So
this? What
good.
is your bit?
We'll go seamlessly into it.
So basically, my joke is fuck the sun. Okay, just fucking fuck the sun. Like human beings have conquered everything. We have like gone to the moon. We have gone to other planets. Why are we still respecting the sun? Like, why do we have to go to work in the morning? If there is a half day, why is it always the first half? Why it can't be like 2 to 4?
Who made that the first half?
Yes.
Morning people.
So it's morning people. So it's similar. So my idea was that now time has come for humanity to take revenge on the sun, because the sun has like, you know, grip over us. You can't even look at the sun, you know, you start watering. So
Yeah.
it's like too hot, too saffron, that gets a laugh, and nothing else. Okay, so the whole idea was that how as humanity we have intelligence, we have so many things, how can we like, you know, reduce the impact of sun in our lives. If we don't wake up in the morning, then the sun will still wake up. Sun cannot help it, and then it will after some time go down.
And also, there's always this looming fear that one day sun will gobble us all up.
Yes,
Yeah.
there is.
They're like,
there
what is this? Who do you
Yes.
think you are? Why are you doing this
Yeah.
to us?
Yes. So treat the sun as just another, like, you know, something in the.
Yeah, you
As a
work on my
problem.
you work on my agriculture, dude. Just
Yeah.
take care of my plants and go away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't comment over my life.
I used to have a joke like this that used to never, but I find it very funny.
Yeah.
Is that daytime is just nighttime with sunlight.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's such a stupid.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain.
Yeah, very funny, very funny.
Salad is just a sandwich without bread.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, right? Like,
ये तो कुछ भी कर
no. It's
Poetry just
he's
comedy without applause break.
He's right. It's like, everybody looks at, basically, I'll tell you, similar idea. I don't know how to connect. But basically, everybody assumes that daytime is the default.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right?
Yes.
Brother, we're on the same page.
Yes,
yeah.
yeah,
Why
exactly.
are we making this morning?
Day is default.
Correct.
Like you should, everything should happen in the
In the
day.
day.
Yeah.
But daytime is just nighttime with sunlight. Sun का कुछ ज्यादा ही monopoly है.
Yes. That.
Yeah.
I think this sun dictatorship needs to end.
Yeah,
and we
dude.
have to cause a
Yes.
revolt together.
Yes.
Yeah, dude.
Yes. That's the
We
whole.
need nuclear winter.
We need a
I think we have to beat sun by ignoring the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the
right.
thing.
Yeah.
Just ignore it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cut all the plants.
Just don't wake up.
Yeah.
Nobody wakes up. in
Brother,
the
are you
morning.
fucking reading from my list or what? I'll
What?
show you.
Same-
Yes,
same
I'll
time.
show you. Wait,
Wow.
wait.
Yeah, don't
Yes.
wake up in the morning. If
what a
nobody
crazy
wakes up-
coincidence that you were made to sit on that side also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, just so why not do something we can like disrespect the sun? If,
Yeah, basically, yeah. Same
if
thing.
enough people don't wake up on time,
Yeah.
like
Correct.
the joke that I used to go for was that the sun also has feelings. Now the sun has a lot of attitude.
Yeah.
The sun wakes up, the whole world wakes up with
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
And like, but what if the sun wakes up and none of us wake up?
Yeah.
Then
Right.
the sun will go down little quicker.
Yeah, yeah.
That
Yeah.
You have to
was-
make sun like a character. You have to give him
Yeah.
a character, like
हाँ.
a voice, and be like, he comes out and like, क्या भाई आज क्या भाई कोई नहीं आया क्या आज?
हाँ.
Yeah.
क्या हो गया भाई?
हाँ.
अच्छा कोई नहीं आया तो
थोड़ा थोड़ा ईगो थोड़ा उससे
yeah.
ईगो क्रश ईगो क्रश करने का.
हाँ.
Yeah. I think, again, we are finding the wrong villain here. It's not the sun. It's the fucking people who wake up with
Morning
the sun.
people are the
Fucking
problem.
people.
Yeah.
You know, we need to unite.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so stock markets are a thing that happen according to daytime.
Yes.
Right. What
Not
else?
according to the sun, but
But
yeah.
daytime. No,
Yeah.
not according to the
Daytime,
sun,
yeah.
but
Yeah, yeah,
daytime.
yeah.
What else works according to daytime?
School.
School?
Office.
No,
Office.
school. Night school भी तो होता है.
Night
School
school
नहीं
होता है.
Brother,
school-
night school is not the same type of school.
I know.
It's not as respectable as day school. You know what I mean?
I know, but we gotta make night school more respectable.
Cool.
So
we
the way
gotta
to- if
we
you
gotta
have to
put
change-
underprivileged
Yeah.
kids in day school.
Dude,
and
बच्चे
privileged
ऐसे भी-
kids in night
ऐसे
school.
बच्चे रात को सोते नहीं है 4 बार उठते हैं स्कूल भेज दो रात को.
Yeah.
Yeah, if evolution is so powerful, then how come sleep doesn't come till 2 a.m.? I go to bed at 11, till 2 I'm just,
Yes.
scrolling on my phone, I'm not sleeping. But the more practical solution is we have to bring society to function opposite the sun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that is the solution that we can go
So okay,
for.
so then what keeps us up at night? Scrolling keeps us up
Anxiety.
at night.
Oh, okay.
No,
Anxiety. Yeah.
I am up at night, that's why I'm scrolling. I'm trying to sleep only. Okay.
Yeah, but also you're scrolling. That's why you're
No,
up at
I
night,
think,
and you're up
like
at
you
night
said,
also.
we need night schools.
Yeah.
We need night banks.
Yeah.
See,
So
guys,
that's what I'm saying. So then the stock market should also be on reels. So then
Yeah.
people will be like, I'll stay up and
Yeah.
Comedy shows in the morning.
Oh, I would love that. Let's do it.
10 a.m. Watch some comedy, go to sleep at 11.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All restaurants shut during the day.
Yeah.
What a
yeah.
great idea.
What a
This
great-
is my dream life.
Yeah.
Oh, what a great way to do it. Finish a
great.
show at 10, go for brunch. Oh, what a life.
Yeah,
Brunch
and then
and
go to sleep.
at 11 a.m. and wake up and like basically become a call center employee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the only people who are disrespecting the sun are call center employees.
Yeah, we need more call centers.
I was saying with your premise also, it's also that there's a certain smugness that morning
Exactly.
people have, which is, oh, I got up at 5.
Yeah.
Right?
So annoying, bhai.
Yeah. So then who decided that 5 is a smug time, but waking up at 3 is not a smug time?
But everybody has their own
My
thing.
dad wakes up at 3.
Yeah. 3? Yeah.
Is he smug?
he's very smug about that particular thing.
Yeah, my dad wakes up at 4 and he's very smug about
What
it.
the fuck?
But why does he wake up at 4? You tell me. I also don't know why my dad wakes up at 3.
I think that like he used to. I think you should just feel like a peacock with like, yo, I'm awake before y'all. I think he just wanted to fucking be like, I finished gym, I finished newspaper, and you're still sleeping. Fuck you.
If a new movie has come, would you go for the morning show or for the night show?
Bro, I was very
Late
impressed.
night show.
Late night show.
Yes.
Night
So
show.
I told my friend that I saw Dhurandhar at 11 and I got done at 4. But he told me he went at 4 and got done at 10 a.m.
So who won?
I thought he won.
Aditya Dhar.
Aditya Dhar.
Yeah, I don't know why morning people. So the perception is that morning people are
Productive.
productive and night people are just slackers
Whiling
and
away.
lazy
Okay,
and
wait. I have one more thought.
Yeah, same.
This is the idea is that I got all my work done before 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
10 बजे के पहले.
निपटा
तो 10 बजे के बाद आप क्या कर रहे हो बहनचो? Let's talk about that.
Scrolling.
Which I'm doing at fucking 12 a.m.
Yes.
and also productivity is not a good thing.
Yeah.
Right. Not if you're living for 500 years. Yeah.
Productivity is not a good thing. You know, I hate all the people who are like I work hard.
Why?
Fucking what?
Yes.
I was very impressed if you don't
Didn't
work at
hard
all.
and
Yeah.
you still. That's what I'm saying. Where's the fun in like getting up in the morning and doing? There's no fun in that.
इसमें क्या हम लोग क्या ये सब is this our privilege talking also I'm guessing.
I feel
All
like
this,
I feel like there is a bit of that.
yes I just
Of
realized
course.
it now.
This whole
I've been
show.
thinking about it.
yeah.
This whole show is our privilege.
His first premise is that school fees are high because they don't beat kids. Second premise is what if you are immortal? Third premise is son. Fuck the son.
लोग जो सुबह उठ के नौकरी जाते हैं पहाड़ में जाए.
Son. Fuck you. You waking me up, bitch.
Dude, this is damn funny.
Most fucking privileged shit.
And so the learning today.
Nothing on planet Earth.
The learning today is that we can't do any of these jokes. And we're back to joke funeral.
These jokes deserve to die.
we tried to revive this.
No.
Yeah.
Fucking fuck off. Because comedy will speak truth to power.
We are saying power, fuck you.
Shut the sun. नहीं चाहिए सूरज.
Sorry. My bad. I think your joke is about immortality, but joke is dead.
See, now you know this show can't be called Joke CPR.
Yeah.
It has to be
Joke
funeral.
funeral.
I think you should call it CPR ya maut. You gotta do.
Oh, you turned it into a Delhi panel.
No, I like it.
Yeah.
He's doing a thing to your show. He's gamifying it.
Yeah.
You're gamifying it.
Yeah.
That's actually nice. That's
Which is
also
exactly
CPR
what I
ya
do.
maut. And then we all kiss each other for this.
And then
That's the sponsor integration.
Man, what a privilege show है. Show का sponsor भी नहीं है. Integration चार बार. Fuck you, son. Here is room fresh.
Dude, I gotta go.
What the
Let's call it.
thank you guys. Thank you.
Dude, I can't believe the level that these jokes. No wonder it is not working. I would say, Sapan, this is not a series, it's a limited series. one episode show is over. Very Fleabag, very baby reindeer. Not Game of Thrones.
Hello, thank you for watching till the end. This is a brand new series on my channel, so I'm quite nervous. So please tell me what you thought about it, what you liked, what you didn't like, everything. I'm shooting more episodes, so please recommend some comedians you would like to see on this show. If you thought of a better joke than we could, drop it in the comments. And I'm going to be putting a lot more episodes of this. I'm going to be putting out 2 or 3 stand-up videos also in the next few weeks. So just subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take much. You'll get a notification when I put out something. And apparently there's a new hype feature on YouTube. You can hype a video. I have no idea what it does, but all the cool kids are saying, yo, hype the video. So yo, hype the video, man. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thank you.